Prepare to embark on a journey of discovery with our selection of the top 5 best dashcams for 2024. In this video, we will delve into the latest advancements in dashcam technology, showcasing the top contenders renowned for their innovative features and reliability. Whether you prioritize safety enhancements or high-definition video recording, we're here to guide you in finding the ideal dashcam to meet your needs. Let's get started. Number 5. Viofo WM1. The Viofo WM1 dashcam combines compact design with advanced features to offer unparalleled performance on the road. With its 2K Quad HD 1440 pixel resolution and Sony Stavus IMX335 sensor, it captures crisp and clear footage, ensuring crucial details like road signs and number plates are captured with precision, day or night. Its stealthy installation design, characterized by a small form factor and tubular design, allows for easy placement behind the rearview mirror. The absence of a display enhances usability, while the Viofo app connectivity via a 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi connection offers seamless control and access to footage. The camera mount provides multiple angles for installation flexibility, with the Type-C interface cleverly positioned on the mount for aesthetic appeal. A convenient one-click lock button and 24/7 parking monitoring ensure added security, automatically recording for 35 seconds upon detecting moving objects. The built-in GPS logger provides detailed location data, while loop recording and auto emergency lock guarantee continuous coverage of your journey. Intelligent voice notifications further enhance user experience, keeping you informed at all times. Equipped with a supercapacitor and circular polarizing lens, the WM1 offers reliable performance in various conditions. Additionally, its Bluetooth remote control allows for convenient operation within a 5-meter range. Priced competitively at $89.99, the Viofo WM1 is an excellent choice for drivers seeking a reliable and feature-rich dashcam solution. Number 4. In-car dashcam. The in-car dashcam offers comprehensive security and peace of mind for your vehicle. With 2 HD cameras, it records movement both inside and outside your car, ensuring complete coverage and surveillance. When connected to your home or Wi-Fi, it provides live view and two-way talk through the Ring app, enabling you to monitor your vehicle remotely. Equipped with built-in sensors, the car cam detects disturbances in and around your vehicle when parked, sending real-time notifications to your phone. Its dual-facing wide-angle HD cameras capture detailed footage, allowing you to stay informed about activities inside and outside your car. For added convenience, the car cam responds to voice commands via Alexa, enabling you to initiate recordings without taking your hands off the wheel. It also offers security and privacy controls, including GPS location tracking and adjustable disturbance detection sensitivity. With easy installation through your vehicle's OBD2 port, the Ring car dashcam seamlessly integrates into your car setup. It boasts Wi-Fi 2.4 GHz and 4G LTE cellular connectivity, ensuring reliable communication and access to footage whenever needed. Priced competitively at $249.99, the Ring car dashcam offers advanced features and robust security measures, making it an essential companion for safeguarding your vehicle and giving you peace of mind on the road. Number 3. Fanttik C8 Apex True. The Fanttik C8 Apex True 4K Ultra HD dashcam is a compact and feature-packed device designed to enhance your driving experience. With its easy installation using a magnetic bracket and 3M adhesive, setting up the dash camera is hassle-free. Equipped with a Sony IMX415 sensor and 7 glass lens, the C8 Apex captures stunning videos at a resolution of up to 3840 by 2160 pixel, delivering true 4K quality. Its f1.8 aperture ensures excellent low-light performance, allowing for flawless video recording even at night. The built-in 128GB eMMC storage provides ample space for recording, with a read and write speed of 100 MB per second, 5 times faster than traditional TF cards. The loop recording feature automatically overwrites the oldest data when the storage is full, while emergency videos are stored separately to prevent accidental deletion. With smart control via the Fanttik app using built-in 5G Wi-Fi, you can easily manage settings and access footage on your smartphone. The C8 Apex also supports smart voice control, adding convenience to your driving experience. In 24-hour parking monitoring mode, You can choose from 3 recording modes: normal mode, time-lapse mode, or sleep mode to suit your preferences. Priced competitively at $149.99, the Fanttik C8 Apex True 4K Ultra HD Dashcam offers exceptional value and performance for drivers seeking reliable video recording on the road. Number 2. Rove R2-4K Pro. The Rove R2-4K Pro is a top-of-the-line 4K dashcam that offers cutting-edge features to enhance your driving experience. With its dual-band 5G and 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi connectivity, you can enjoy high-speed data transfer and seamless connectivity to the Rove Dashcam app. Using the Rove Dashcam app, you can easily share footage on social media or messaging platforms with just one click, making it convenient to share important moments with friends and family. The built-in GPS records and displays real-time live speed and compass information on the LCD screen, providing valuable data for your journey. Equipped with voice guidance and alerts, the Rove R2-4K Pro ensures a safe and hassle-free driving experience. Its f1.5 aperture allows for superior light capture, even in low-light conditions, while night vision ensures clear footage at night. With features like time-lapse video, emergency video lock, and 24-hour parking mode, this dashcam provides comprehensive coverage and security for your vehicle. It supports microSD cards up to 512 GB and features a USB 3.2 Gen 1 Type-C card reader for fast and convenient data transfer. Priced at $159.99, the Rove R2-4K Pro is an excellent investment for any driver looking to enhance their safety and security on the road. Number 1. Vantrue N5. The Vantrue N5 sets a new standard in dashcam technology with its groundbreaking features and unparalleled performance. As the world's first 4-channel dashcam, it offers a comprehensive 360-degree coverage without any blind spots, thanks to its front cabin, and rear cabin cameras. With a maximum resolution of 2.7K, the N5 delivers stunning clarity, capturing even the smallest details on the road. The front cabin camera records at an impressive 1944 pixel resolution, ensuring crystal clear footage of the driver and passengers. Meanwhile, the rear cabin camera employs infrared LED lights and HDR multi-exposure technology to provide excellent night vision capabilities. Powered by the Sony Starvis 2 IMX675 5M ultra-low light sensor, the N5 delivers exceptional performance in low-light conditions. Additionally, the inclusion of HDR technology further enhances image quality by balancing exposure levels in challenging lighting scenarios. The N5 also offers advanced features such as voice control, Wi-Fi connectivity, and app control, allowing users to easily manage their dashcam settings and footage. The optional CPL filter reduces reflections and glare from glass and shiny surfaces, ensuring optimal image quality. With 24/7 parking guard and motion detection capabilities, the Vantrue N5 provides round-the-clock protection for your vehicle. Priced at $319.99, it offers unbeatable value for drivers seeking top-of-the-line dashcam technology. Thanks for watching our Top 5 Best Dashcam Roundup for 2024. Keep your journeys secure with these top picks. Remember to hit like, share, and subscribe for more informative videos. Stay safe on the road, and we'll catch you in the next one.